Hey everyone. First of all, I want to apologize, Jack, that I sent that message out to everyone when I was asking how you were doing. I hope you're okay, and I hope you are all okay. And I want to go through the assignments for the week for you guys. So if you go to the Google Classroom and you click on classwork, you'll see I kind of changed some of the stuff. So last week you had to get SQL, the filtering practice, so the section 2, 2.1 through 2.5. And if you did not get that finished, please do so. There are a couple of you who did not finish that. I want to show you, I did go and look at some of your assignments. If you were having problems with some of it, um, I put it back as a pink, which means it needs work. And if you click on the pink and then you go to the teacher student feedback, you'll see on there, I put the solution code in there or strong hints for you. But most of the time I just put the solution code in there. So you could just go in there and put that and make sure you do that so that you can get the full credit on that. Okay, so and then you're going to be doing these SQL functions here. This is this week's counting, grouping, filtering, limiting. And then I don't know if you looked ahead on what I had before, but now you just have house points and summing for this week. So those are the assignments you need to get completed all the way up through here. And then here is in the Google Classroom. These are the assignments. So you'll see tomorrow, or well, I'm recording this on Sunday, but on Monday, May 4th, hopefully you'll be watching this, and you'll see that the count function and the group by function are due by Monday night. Some of you have already done this because the count function was originally due last Friday and I moved it. I kind of shuffled some stuff around. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You could see here you need to do all of these and then the data aggregation. When you go in there to look at it, you'll see I took out some of the assignments in there, so it should go fairly quickly. So this is all you have to do this week and make sure you get any assignments done um, in the prior week. So I also wanted to show you the calendar for May. So this is Monday, May 4th, and I have a graduation committee meeting at 11:30 tomorrow or today on Monday about what's going to be happening for Stowe's graduation. So some of you with your other schools, I know Cuyahoga Falls, you're doing some type of a virtual one where everyone's going in one at a time. So other schools are trying to figure out how they're going to approach commencement. I'll let the Stowe students know as soon as I know what's going on. But you'll see on the calendar these are the assignments. And then if you look for next week, it says that the seniors' last day is next Wednesday. So Stowe students, you will need to be returning your textbooks, any technology that you have signed out, and also picking up your cap and gown. So that's on the 13th. So the other non-Stowe students, you'll have to check with your schools as far as when you're going to be taking care of all of your senior responsibilities. Also, Stowe students, keep an eye out when your locker clean out is. That's different from the returning items and picking up cap and gown. So you'll see on here, I think a couple of you messaged me asking, when's the last day of the program? So you'll see Friday the 15th is technically the end date for all CTE programs, but the seniors' last day is 13th. So we're definitely ending earlier. In fact, um, I'm going to make this week your last week of classes because some of the schools I have to have the grades in by Friday, May 8th. So I really didn't want to make this video because because I really didn't want to say goodbye to you guys. We were a small class, the 10 of you, but you were a mighty class. And I just want to tell you, I really appreciate how you have all always done your assignments and you never complained and you were good sports about it and you were patient with me when I was goofy and um, I'm just really gonna miss you guys. And I am so glad that I was able to stay longer on that Friday the 13th to see you guys. Um, and I remember one of you, maybe a couple of you said, "Oh, are we going to see each other again?" I was like, "Oh yeah, yeah." And who would have thought that this would have happened? So when things clear up, we need to make time to get together. And I wish I could give you guys a hug, but we can't do that. So I just want to wish you all the best. If you need anything from me, please let me know. I'll help you, get your college credit transferred when you guys get moving over to college. Um, please stay in touch and please stay safe. And when you're in college, and if you have, bad days, you'll just remember you're going to have good days too. And when things are rough, just stay strong and keep going. And there are a lot of people out there who love you and care about you, and including myself. So I'm always here for you guys. I'm always going to hold you dear in my heart. And so that's it. So if I see you, I'll give you air hugs. All right. So best of luck, and I will miss you all so much, and I'm so proud of you, and I know you're going to do wonderful things in life, and you have a really great road ahead of you. Okay, so this is Mrs. Whitmer signing out. Take care, and congratulations to the class of 2020.